Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In previous video session, we have started the module 4 of digital and social media marketing, in which we have discussed the different characteristics of social media, their advantages from the perspective of marketers in order to promote their products and services. Then we have seen several limitations of social media marketing and social media platforms. Now, here from this session, we are going to see how social media marketing can be or how different social media platforms can be useful as a strong marketing platform for marketers to promote their products and services. Here we are going to discuss the social media marketing on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and many more. So let's start with this. Here in this first session, before approaching towards the in-depth study related to Facebook marketing or LinkedIn marketing, let me first clear that whatever the social media platform is, the form of advertisement or the media which is used for promoting product and services are broadly classified into three types. The first one is the own media, then second one is the paid media, and the third is the earned media. So all the kinds of medias available on different social media platforms are classified under these three categories. Talking about the own media, it is basically a digital asset owned by the marketer on different social media platforms. So whatever the channel or whatever the page marketer has on particular social media, or whatever the content which is content shared by the marketer on his official website or on his official blog page or social media page, that all considered under the own media. The next is paid media. It is a paid form of digital asset. In order to display the advertisement of particular product or service, or in order to promote that product or service, the advertiser pays something to the social media platform, so that that platform will display that advertisement to the targeted people. And this all type of paid form of advertisement campaigns and all are considered collectively under this category of paid media. So a digital asset for which marketer pays to the social media platform in order to reach potential customer is considered as a paid media. Then there is earned media. Basically, earned media is a combination, or it is a synergic effect of owned media and paid media. Here, a digital asset generated organically due to the efforts taken by the marketers for marketing their brand on social media platform. So whatever efforts marketer make on in order to popularize its own media, and whatever the financial asset or whatever money the marketers spend in order to promote the paid media or paid form of advertisement are collectively result into a earned media. So these are the different medias available on each and every social media platforms, and by using these different medias, marketer promote their product or services. Now let's begin with Facebook marketing. Facebook is a social networking account. We all know about that all. Originally, it was designed by a college student. Everybody know that it is the idea, or it is the creation of Mark Zuckerberg. He basically designed it in 2004 when he was a student enrolled in Harvard University. By 2006, anyone over the age of 13 with valid email address could join Facebook. And today Facebook is the world's largest social media platform, having more than 1 billion subscribers, or more than 1 billion users. So from this figure, it becomes very clear that how Facebook is important in order to promote product and services, because more than 1 billion users are active on Facebook. They are using they are spending their 2 to 3 hours on this Facebook. So this can be a beautiful or wonderful platform where the marketer can market their product, can create the awareness about their product and all. So that's why Facebook marketing is very much important if you want to create awareness about your product, or increase the sales of the product or services. Now here we will see again that how the marketer can promote their product by using different media, like own media, earn media, own media, paid media, and earned media. So let's see what are the own media available on Facebook platform. So the first one is the community pages. Community pages is a form of own media. By using these community pages, the marketer can create the page on the Facebook platform, and this community page is just similar to the general or individual Facebook page created by some business or any or organization. But the difference of this community page is that here the company share the informal kind of information related to their products or the recent trend in the world. So this all information or interesting content uploaded by the company or the marketer on this community pages are liked, share, and like and share by the users who have liked these community pages. So here in this picture I try to show you the community page of Lamborghini India. Here we can see that the different post of Lamborghini India has been uploaded by this Lamborghini. Here on the about section you will observe that there are near about 12 lakh 93 yes, it's 1,29,33,985 peoples has been like this page. This much amount of people are following this page. So what does it mean? That there is a huge chunk of people who are getting the updates related to Lamborghini India. They are aware about this brand, and they are out of them are sharing the information, the post uploaded by the Lamborghini India. So this figure basically shows that how the Lamborghini India is promoting itself by using own media. Here this huge chunk of people are showing us that that whatever post uploaded by this Lamborghini India is forwarded by the users in order to create the awareness about the product. Now, the next own media which can be utilized by the businesses is self-designed content. But before self-designed content, let's discuss that what kind of fans available on these community pages. Here we have seen the huge figure like 1 crore. It's 1,29 lakh, and let's divide this huge chunk of people into different categories in order to know that how these people helps Lamborghini India to promote their product, to promote to create the awareness about their product in all over the India, in all over the world. So here basically this all the people or users who have liked this page are classified into subsections. The first one is engaged fan, then there is advocate fans, purchase fans, super fans, and potential fans. Now, who are these fans are? Let's discuss this all one by one. When we talk about the engaged fans, so engaged fans are not involved in detail. They simply like the product, and that's why they like the page, or that community page of the particular product or services. Then there is a kind of advocate fan. These advocate fans like the pages, like to share, comment, and like the whatever post uploaded by the company or the marketer on its community pages. So basically they helps in sharing the information with the different people. Then there is a purchase fans. Purchase fans are the fans who have buy that particular product but not advocate to buy, not advocate to other. So like though they are the current customer of the product, but they avoid to talk more about or share or comment or like the post of that community page. So here you will find this kind of people on community group. Then there are some super fans. Super fans are like they purchase as well as advocate the product of the particular brand. They will purchase the product and share, comment, and like the post uploaded on that community pages. Then the final category of the users who have liked the community page is potential fans. So potential fans are the people who are not in network, who are basically in the network of above fans. Like if there is one advocate fan and he is sharing the post of that product on his personal Facebook account, then whatever the viewers view this post will be the potential fans of that product or that company. So this is how the users who have liked the community page are categorized into different types, and by using this different kind of users by using this different kind of followers, the company can spread the awareness about the product, to get to know that what people are thinking about their products, analyze that what's the trend in the market, and can implement different marketing activities. Now, next type of owned marketing media on Facebook is self-designed content. So this self-designed content is basically whatever the personally created content marketer upload on Facebook page, on his community page, or on his official page, that all consider as a self-designed content. Now, this how this self-designed content help marketers to create the awareness about their product. So let's discuss it in detail. That many a times it is observed that some CEO or some person designated at the higher post in particular company comment something, and that goes viral. That comment is the self-designed content which is helping that company to create the awareness about their product. Now, the question arises that how to make the self-created content viral on Facebook or any other social media channel. So there is the Triple E rule here. In order to make your content viral on social media, that Triple E rule said that whatever content you are posting on your Facebook page or on any other social media platform, that should be entertaining, exciting, and educative. So if your post, if your content, if your any comment is entertaining, exciting, and educative, then there is the high chances that it will goes viral. And once it will goes viral, automatically people come to know about your product, the awareness about your product will increase, and it will help in increasing the sales of the product or services. Now, why this triple E model is so much important in order to make the content viral? So always keep in mind that people always like to share the content in order to make the impression management, emotional regulation, valuable information, and social bonding. So this by keeping these four principles in mind, that why people like to share particular content on social media platform, you will be get to know that this entertaining, exciting, educative is actually works in order to fulfill the impression management, emotional regulation, valuable information, and social bonding. So this is how, by using this triple E model, one can make the content on social media viral. Now let's see what are the paid media available on Facebook. So before jump into this topic, let me clear that whatever paid advertisement or paid campaign made by the marketer on Facebook channel are all oriented with the particular goal and objective. So here there are certain different types of paid media by using which the marketer can promote their product, but the which type is suitable to which product is all analyzed by knowing the objective, that what is the objective of the marketer to promote this product or service. That objective can be increasing the visits of the users on the official website of that company, or there can be the objective like creating awareness about the product, or there can be the objective like increasing the sales of the product. So what is the objective of the marketer to promote the product or services matters a lot when it comes to choose the paid media form. Now under this there are certain forms of this paid media. Let's discuss these all forms one by one. The very first one is page post engagement. The name itself suggests that this type of campaigns are run in order to increase the engagement of the users on particular Facebook page. So here in this advertisement, here in this picture, I try to show you that this buzzer beater is basically a Facebook page who wants to grab the attention of the audiences and the users toward his Facebook page, and he basically wants to increase the crowd of users on his or on its Facebook page. So that can be one reason, or that can be one form to make the paid form of Facebook marketing. Then there is action-oriented advertisement. Action-oriented advertisement, the name itself suggesting that here the advertisement try to grab the attention of the customers by doing particular actions. Here the different call to actions buttons like sign up, log in, or check it up, like this kinds of call to action buttons are utilized under this type of advertisement. Here the Google ad, here I show the Google ad, which is basically a sponsored ad. Here you can see that there below the Google ads there is a sponsored word. The sponsored word shows you that that it is a paid form of advertisement on Facebook platform. So here there's Google ad. Here Google ad is action oriented advertisement because it is conveying people to make the sign up. Okay. Now the next one is Website link conversion. There is website link conversion. When you click on particular advertisement when you see the captions or the call to action buttons like watch more, then when you click on that button, you will direct it toward the website, the official website of that page. So this kind of advertisement, that website link conversion advertisement are made in order to increase the crowd of users on particular website. So here again, this website, that is this whilevideo.com, is trying to capture the users on its website page. Then there is carousel advertisement. There is this is nowadays it's going very popular because it is a form of remarketing. You might have observed, and here in this picture also I am trying to show you that whenever you visit some e-commerce website or anything on different or visit any other platform or any website, then after that, when you visit your personal Facebook page or any other social media account, then there you will get the pop-up related to the website which you have visited. Like here, if somebody has visited the Myntra, if that person has seen the different different clothes on Myntra and created the wish list, then the items of that wish list will be displayed on the Facebook page of that person. This carousel type of advertisement, here by clicking on this arrow, you can move forward, you can move ahead or backward side. So this kind of advertisement are basically the remarketing funda used by different marketers. So this is also a paid form of advertisement or paid form of media on Facebook page. Again, how it is indicated, here you will get that sponsored word below the word Myntra. So this is the carousel advertisement, which is a paid form, paid media. Now so these are the different, that's carousel advertisement, website link conversion, then action oriented advertisement, page post engagements are the different paid medias available on Facebook. And you, by using this different advertisement, you can make the advertisement of your product on Facebook. So why what are the mottos of this paid form of advertisement? Let's clear it that by using this all paid medias, the marketer can target its target population. So these all paid media advertisements or paid media campaigns are utilized for targeting their segmented customers. Okay, so there are different type of targeting which is undertaken by using this paid form of advertisement. The first one is generic targeting. Generic targeting, here you can make the geographical based targeting, means on the basis of the place belonged by the customer or the place where the customer belongs, you can target your customer. Then there is detailed targeting. Detailed targeting, by using this paid media, the marketer can target can make the targeting to the customers demographic based, can make demographic based marketing as well as geographical based marketing. Then there is a custom audiences. This custom audiences is a special type of targeting which is further classified as a customer file, web traffic, app based and engagement. So here by using this custom audiences, marketers are targeting particular customer in a customized manner. Okay, so how they target their potential customer in customized manner? So there can be different possibilities. So the first one is by using customer files. Here what marketer do? Marketer or the company gives the data related to their potential customer, or whatever data they have collected related by after making audience profiling and audience segmentation. They provide that customer file to Facebook, and then Facebook find all the potential customers mentioned on that list on the Facebook and find out their Facebook account, that and confirm that whether that customers are available on Facebook or not, and after reaching to them they start advertising that particular customer. So by using customer file, marketer make the customized marketing. Then there is another way by which customized marketing is take place by the Facebook and the marketer, which is web traffic. Web traffic here, if there is a particular website, then that website allows the server of the engine of the Facebook to access the people who are visiting that website. Then Facebook identify the people visiting that website, then find that all people identified who have visited that website on Facebook page. They identify that who out of them are available on Facebook, and after knowing them they start making customized marketing. So web traffic is one way. Then there is app based. Similar to web traffic, Facebook identified that how many customers have downloaded particular app on their systems, and then find that customers, that app downloaders on Facebook, and give the personal and make the personalized marketing of product and services. Then there is engagement. Under this concept of engagement, Facebook identifies that which users like to watch which videos or which audios or which clip, or how's the behavior of customer on Facebook pages, and how's the behavior of customer on Facebook, and how it react to particular post. By identifying this, by identifying the engagement of the customers, they make the customized targeting. Okay, so these are the different forms by which the custom audiences can be tracked and customized marketing can be made by the marketers on Facebook account. Then there is look-like targeting. Look-like targeting are basically the people who shows some similar features like the above targeted customers. So they make and by knowing them all, Facebook make the customized marketing. Okay, so these are the different targeting forms which is utilized by the marketer on the Facebook account. Okay, now there is before moving toward the last topic, that is marketers earn media on Facebook. Let's clear the question that, okay, so these are the different paid medias available on Facebook, but what about the procedure what about the steps to be carried out for approaching Facebook or for contacting Facebook in order to make the marketing of their product? So here on Facebook provides the similar platform as that of Google Ads. Okay, so there are different there is a Facebook ad manager which works similar to Google Ads or Google AdWords. And there on Facebook ad manager, it identifies the relevance of the advertisement, then estimated action rate, and finally the bidding rate of the particular advertisement. So Facebook ad manager is the place where you can approach to Facebook and fix fix the campaign which you want to run on the Facebook page. Now the last media is marketers earn media on Facebook. So as I explained at the beginning of this session, that marketers earn media is a synergistic result of own media and earned media. Means depending upon the efforts you make on the owned media and the money you invested on the earned media, you can you can achieve the earned media on Facebook page. So this is all about the different medias, like this is all about the earned media or own media and paid media, by using which you can make the advertisement of your product on Facebook page. In next session we will see that how you can use these different medias on LinkedIn page and Twitter page. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.